Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, yes, last day of the month, Tuesday, May the 1st 2022. We have only one regular Sudoku and it's a medium Sudoku, but we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, the Killer Sudoku aka Sudoku Mix, Binary Puzzle number 1 and Binary Puzzle number 2. 9 extra puzzles, I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, I believe, 5 of them I will solve. But first I will solve this baby Sudoku Medium. By the way, the news of today, let me show you the news of today. Yes, Russians will stop the delivering of gas in the Netherlands. So we have no gas from them. So in the winter it will be difficult and the prices for gas will be rising. So yeah, it's not fun because the bill will be higher than maybe twice as high or 3 times as high. Anyway, let me continue with this puzzle. This puzzle will be number 4627. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, and the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Let me see. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. We have a 2 in this column, the 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2 in this column, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2 in the second row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see there 5 in the last row, so no 5 in this box. Here 5 in the row above, so no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And now, I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see which number I can pick. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. And look, we have a 4 in this row, and we have a 7 in this big square. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. One box left in this column for number 6. Alright. Two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. How about? I'm thinking. interesting. Alright. We have a pair. We have a 7 and a 5 in this row. We have a 7 and a 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. That means one box left in this row for number 1. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Wait. Two missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Then. Let me think. Okay, we have a 3 in the first row, the 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Need to wait. Cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? Two missing numbers in this column for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. So one box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the 8. We see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column, the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 4. Alright. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 and a 5, 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow. I think this is a 1-star puzzle. But I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the other extra puzzles in the additional. So until then, bye bye for now.